Okay, Vern. Look at all your new toys you got, Vern. Let's see what you have here. There's an egg, and a stuffy little stuffy, and a little ball, and a rope, and a hedgehog, and a gorilla, and a Kong, and a crazy looking guy, and an unstuffied skunk. What'd you think? Huh? Lots of cool toys. Which one do you want to play with first? Okay, Vern. Okay. Do your toys. Oh, so many toys. Oh, I like that one. Okay. This one you want? Bring here. Oh, no. That's one I think I really like. He's pretty tough. I'm going to chew on him a lot, I bet. Some more? What do you think? You like him? Oh. So fun. So many toys. Hey, Vern. Here. Good boy. Sit. Vern. High five. Hey. High five. Yes. Good boy. Say thank you. Thank you.